Hi friends, I am Tilak and you are watching Tech Made Me Unique and how to circle the text on your Google Docs. And if you are new to this channel, make sure to click on the subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. So in this video, it is going to show how to circle a word or sentence on your Google Docs. It's actually easy. So I just going to increase the font size first. So now after increasing the font size, I just going to the insert option here. Click on the drawing option, click on the plus symbol. Now you just click on the shape option here and click on the shapes, and here you just need to select the oval and make a oval size like this. After creating the oval shape like this, you just need to click on the option to the color option and click on transparent. After clicking to transparent, just click here, and you can also change the solid or gradient. I just click transparent, and here the color of the circle you can choose from red to black, whatever that color you want. And I just need to increase the size, so I just click on the 3x to increase the border size. You can see the circle size actually. After creating this, just click on the save and close. Now you can see it's here, and here you just need to click on the option in front of the text or behind the text. So these are the two options. So you can adjust the size like this. So you can place here, for an example, I just need to place it on my love. So you can adjust the size like this. So you just need to click on this and you just need to change the text wrapping to the in front of the text and click on the edit if you want the size should be increased. For an example, I just need it as a red color, and the size should be as a 4x or 8x, and click on save and close. Now you can find that I am here for you, my love. So I just circled the my love. So you can also change this to the entire line by increasing the size like this. I think this video helped you a lot. If it is really helped you a lot, like this video, share this video with your friends, and don't forget to click on the subscribe button below. If you want more content about Google Docs, you just follow the channel. We will meet on next video with super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech Made Me Unique. Have a wonderful day.